Hi everybody, welcome back to another Sprint Booster install. Today we're installing a Sprint Booster on this beautiful 2017 Honda Civic Si. Sprint Booster is the #1 and original throttle control module on the market. It's trusted by over 2 million users worldwide, so you know you're getting the good stuff. If you want to learn more, head on over to sprintboosterusa.com and check out our wide list of applications and see which Sprint Booster is right for your machine. So the first step in your install is to take your key fob and put it 10 feet away from your car with your front door open. That way your CAN bus system can reset. Then we're ready to begin the install. Next up, locate your throttle pedal assembly. Above there, you're going to see the clip to the harness. Unplug that clip and plug your Sprint Booster in line. Next up, plug your controller into the Sprint Booster, then run it up to your dash. But before you mount it on there with the provided adhesive, make sure that you select that you're in the automatic setting if you have an automatic car like we do, or flick it up to the manual setting if you have a manual car. Hit the silver button to turn on your Sprint Booster, which gives you 36 unique modes, including 9 modes in sport mode and another 9 modes in race mode. Along with that, you also have valet mode, which limits your throttle pedal output to about 30%, so in case anybody gets in your car, they can't rev it out all the way. You also get pedal lock mode, which completely disengages your throttle pedal, protected by a 3-digit pin that you set, which gives you a lot more security with your Sprint Booster in case you gotta park your car in a park and fly or a strange parking lot. Well, that's it everybody. Thanks for checking out another Sprint Booster install. If you want to learn more, head on over to sprintboosterusa.com and check out our wide list of applications, and let us know down in the comments what other machines you want us to install Sprint Booster on. Thanks, bye now.